it is Cinco de Mayo, everybody, and many businesses are hoping that this is going to be a big year, especially after the year they've had.
Josh Breider is live in Fitchburg with that story this morning. Hey, Josh.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Cinco de Mayo. We're coming to you from Tapatios here in Fitchburg this morning. Of course, we didn't want them to have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, so we came here ahead of time to check out why you should support them on this Cinco de Mayo. Well, it is one of the best days of the year, Cinco de Mayo here at Tapatios in Fitchburg. And this morning we're going to talk a little bit about what this is going to mean for them as far as business goes this year. Leticia Hernandez, you are inviting us in here. You and your husband opened this up a few years ago.
Yeah, welcome. So we opened this in 2018. We started with a food cart a few years before that, and we had a really strong customer base that was like, hey, when are you going to open a brick and mortar? So we got gutsy, and here we are.
So you opened 3 years ago, and then
Yes.
the last year, I'm sure that was not something you predicted.
Not at all. It was definitely something that made us rethink and get creative with the business. You know, it's kind of like when life gives you lemons, you know, take a tequila shot and figure it out. So.
Hey, why not, right? I think over the last year, a lot of us have had to do that. You know, where did you come up with your name originally? It's on your back wall, Tapatios. Yes. There's a little history there for you.
My husband and I are both from Guadalajara originally. Anybody that is from Guadalajara is a Tapatio, kind of similar to, if you would say, like a cheesehead or a scani from being here from Wisconsin. Very, you know, it's just a way to identify yourself, a fun slang term.
So Cinco de Mayo is your biggest day of the year, and you guys are hoping for some big business this year.
We're excited since it is, you know, people are now dining out a little bit more. Last year it was strictly to-goes. But this year we are open now. Actually, Cinco de Mayo opens us up to 75%. That's the first day that this starts. So we're excited. We're excited for both the carryouts and, you know, people that do feel comfortable now dining out.
Yeah, good timing with that health order being Cinco de Mayo. You know, talk a little bit about what we have as far as the spread in front of us today.
All right, of course. So what we prepared for you this morning is, these are fajitas. These are steak fajitas. We do also make them with chicken, or we have a trio that is chicken, steak, and shrimp. This is also served with a side of rice and beans, guacamole, pico de gallo, and then tortillas to make your own tacos from that. This is our shrimp taco, our grilled shrimp taco. It has cabbage, pico de gallo, chipotle crema, and a little cucumber. We have here in the middle the enchiladas verdes with chicken. Those are very popular also on the menu. And then, of course, you can't have Cinco de Mayo without tacos. This is our #1 seller. So we have our classic street tacos. Those are cilantro, onion, and our little twist of, we add cabbage to them, so there's a little extra crunch, gives a little more freshness.
The city of Fitchburg has been crucial, especially over the last year, in supporting you guys.
Oh my gosh, they have been amazing. Shout out to all the Fitchburg residents, they are amazing. They have been more than helpful. You know, when this pandemic started, we would get letters and, you know, cards from customers like, hey, we want to see you at the end of this. We want to support you guys. You know, we have regulars that order takeout every week, and the city of Fitchburg as well. They've been, you know, super nice in the sense of helping us get like the outdoor seating going, anything that they can do. And I guess it's a time that we're really everybody is, how can we help and what can we do? And you know, we want to see the small businesses open and keep thriving throughout this, and then, you know, at the end of everything, back to normal, I guess. So.
And of course, it wouldn't be the 608 segment without digging in here on the morning show, guys. So here we go as I...
Buen provecho.
Always eating every day here on the show. Of course, we love checking out our local hotspots. If you'd like to learn more about Tapatios here in Fitchburg or other Mexican restaurants, give a shout out to our friends over at Madison Magazine. They've done many of these features and spotlights over the years, so if you are looking for a spot to enjoy today, you can check them out online. Now, guys, there should be a couple of takeout trays in front of you this morning. I'm guessing you're already digging in. Guys, how do you think about it so far?
I haven't taken a bite yet. I want to. I have the green, these maybe chimichangas. I'm not sure. There's no fork or anything, so I might just
dig in with your hands.
Just dig right in.
That's what I did last hour. I have the napkins for you.
There you go.
I can hear Mr. Reese. He has some too. Reese, what do you have?
Okay, so
Very good.
I had the tacos. Were quite good.
Yeah, tell us more. Kidding.
Now you guys know how hard it is when you're trying to talk when you have food in your mouth.
Difficult job. Let
It's
me tell
really
you.
good. Really, really good. Thanks for sharing, Josh.
Great stuff.
You bet.
Remember to let Josh know what inspires you in the 608. You know he's inspired by food. You can reach out on social media or email him at in the608@wisctv.com.